Hello everyone, I'm super excited to welcome you all to the first episode of the MVC show. This show would be all about our real life problems and the situations that we face while chasing our dreams, while chasing the lifestyle that we always wanted to live. The conversations would be about why most of us are living for the weekends, why most of us struggle to keep our dream alive even until 25 and then get back into the rat race, and many more exceptional conversations to come ahead. All I want from you is to share this conversation with your friends, your family members, and most importantly on your stories. Come on, let's make this community bigger and let's inspire as many people as we can. So why most of us are living for the weekends? All we do is, while we are passed out from college, we are super excited. We want to start our startup. We want to build a business. We want to build an empire. I'll achieve this. I'll have this lifestyle. But when we face the reality of life, after 1 year, 2 years, all we are doing is waiting for Saturdays and Sundays. You know that. Most of us have the mindset that I'll work for 5 days and then I'll just chill Saturday and Sunday. I'll hang out with my friends, I'll sleep, I'll watch movies, I'll watch Netflix. I want to ask you this. Are you excited to do this for rest of your life? If you are not excited about what you are doing right now and you are not waiting for Monday to get back to work and chase your dreams, firstly, it doesn't matter if you are 20, 25, 30 or 40. I want you to imagine the things that you always wanted in your life. All the dreams that you always told your mom and dad that I'll achieve this, I'll visit this place, I will live in this way. Don't let people around you, not even your family members or friends or relatives, tell you that your goals and your dreams are unrealistic. All those successful people who have achieved big in their life are unrealistic, are unreasonable. They set goals that are 10 times bigger than they have imagined. Firstly, I want you to write down goals that you always wanted to achieve in your life. Secondly, don't let people take you out of your dreams. When you come across people who are struggling in their 9 to 5, who are struggling in their life, they'll tell you these goals are just good in the dreams. But if you ask someone who is living the lifestyle you always wanted to live, he or she will always tell you that dream big, have unreasonable goals, stay excited about them, have your thoughts preoccupied with the dreams and goals you always wanted rather than the negativities and the frustration that you are taking in your mind. I want you to visualize those goals and start imagining that you have actually achieved those goals. That is what is separating you from most of the people who are living for the weekends, for Saturdays and Sundays. Third thing is, you need to get your hands in dirt. You need to try as many things as you can. There will be something, there will be an opportunity that you grab and you will be excited about, and you will know that this is the vehicle that will take me to the destination. You need to decide the destination, where you want to go in life, what all things you want to achieve in your life, and then choose the vehicle. Because if you choose the wrong vehicle, you cannot reach your destination. If I want to go to Switzerland and if I take the best car, the best possible car, can it take me to Switzerland? No, because that is the wrong vehicle to take me to Switzerland. No matter how good that car is, I need to shift my vehicle to the plane. I need to take the flight to Switzerland. I don't want you to stop whatever you are doing right now, but have goals, visualize goals, find an opportunity, work after your current profession, and build the life you want in that Saturdays and Sundays rather than hanging out with friends and chilling and watching TV all day. Because you have two options in your life. Either you can live for weekends for next 30 years, or you can build your life you want in next 5 years, live the life you always wanted to live. Decision is yours. And now share this video, share this conversation right away on your story and with your friends, and let's make this community bigger. Stay positive, think big, live big. Bye.